In some previous videos, I showed you how to blur a certain section on a video using Wondershare Filmora or another tool if you're using a website called Blur Web App. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it after you've uploaded it to YouTube. So let me show you how to do that and let's get started. So if you've already got a video that's been uploaded or you've got a scheduled one, you just got to click on this detail icon. It's the pencil icon. So click on details. On the left hand side, you've got editor. Click on that. And then you see here the blur section, which I never really noticed it and didn't even realize there was one. So what you can do is click on this plus button and select either face blur, which obviously blurs the face if you've got a person in the video, or you can do a custom blur. So if you choose custom blur, you'll create a rectangle here, and you can just drag the rectangle, increase the size, make it smaller, and just cover the area that you want. Now there are different shapes that you can use. So you've got either rectangle or oval. So you just choose depending of the shape you want to blur. So in this case, I've got a label here and it's in the shape of rectangle, so it makes sense to use the rectangle shape. You also have the blur behavior, so you can track the object or you can fix blur position. So fix blur means will always stay there. But for example, if you're moving this recorder around and you can follow, for example, where it's being moved. So let me show you how it works. So I'm just going to make this smaller and let's track the object. Now let's press on play. I'm going to increase it here. So this blue bar shows you the length. And then if I click on play, and if you see that when I move the actual box here, it's the DVR box. Oh, now it tracked my finger. So it does work sometimes and sometimes it doesn't work, but that's how it works. So let me just stop that. And then once you're ready, you can click on save. You can add multiple blur areas. So for example, if I want to add another blur at this point of the video, click on blur, custom blur, and here we go. I can select and blur this area here. So you can add multiple blurs if you wanted to. And once you're done and you're ready, just click on save, and then that's it. And then you will be able to blur that certain section. Now this tool is useful, especially if you've already uploaded the video and you don't want to delete it, because once you delete it and you re-upload it again, the URL for that particular video will be changed. So if you want to keep the same URL, then just use this blur function. And I've seen it a couple of times where you've already uploaded and you've got that something you want to hide and you want to blur it, and this is the perfect way to do it. So hopefully this video helped you in some way. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.